gentlemen, Samsung Philippines is both pleased and very much excited, same as I am, to bring you the future in smart building.
Become a key factor in being competitive in the market. As business opportunity continues to grow in the Philippines and specifically also here in Cebu, the demand for more space, product design, and energy efficiency has become one of the considerations in designing a building. That brings us to our theme tonight, which is Systems Aircon 2016, the future of smart building. Samsung has continued to be a leader in innovation and strive to bring the best product that would meet our clients' needs. So tonight, we will share with you our latest innovation in systems air conditioning. We have also put together product displays that we can showcase to you later tonight after the presentations. So with that, I welcome everyone and thank you.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Now there you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play it the way you feel it. But listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a
heartbeat drives you mad in the stillness of remembering what you had
and what you lost,
and what you had,
and what you lost.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Now there you go.